So let me just go ahead and write the names of these levels in front of them as well. So I'll go here in the Manage tab and I'll select Dynamo. Alright, let me just save the file up to this point. So here in the Dynamo file, I'll put this on manual so it doesn't crash. And then I'll search for categories. Let me open this up, and from the menu I'll select levels, and then here I'll type in all elements of category. Let's see what we have. There we go. And then here I'll click on run. Alright, so here I'll look for get parameter. There we go. Then Control C and then Control V to paste it. And then I'll search for string. I'm searching using right click. Then Control C and then Control V. Here I'll write elevation. Alright. And then in this string I'll write name. Let me just change their place. And then this one connects to here. Then I'll hit run once again, and we have the names. And then here we have the height for each level. All right, after this I'll type in UN, open the project units menu, put this on M, and then OK. So click on run once again. All right, so open up the project units again, put this on 3 decimal places, and then OK. Let me just put this on millimeters for a moment, and then we'll change that one to meters again. All right, and then here I'll type in convert, then I'll select convert units. Then here I'll put in meters to millimeters, then run once again, and there we go. All right, now let's go to here and search for string, because we want to convert the number to string. So this is what it turns out like. And after the dots, we don't need the zeros, so I'll just right click here and I'll type in split, and I'll open up the string split. Then I'll connect these two, and then I'll look for string again, open this up, and then here I'll type in just one dot. Doing this, we can separate the numbers before the point and after the point. And then here I'll look for first item. So from each of these levels, we just need a first number, not the zeros, so this does that. Then I connect these two up. There we go. And then I'll put this on the use levels option, then run, and there we go. All right, let me bring this here, and then I'll double click and I'll make a code block. Let me just take a look at the items that we have here. So here in the code block, I'll type in the names and then the rest. Let me just type name. Let me see. All right, let's do something else, because it would just be too long if I type the name and then the number. I'll just type in str, and then let's see here. All right, delete this one, and then type in a instead, and then I'll add a plus, then double quotations str, then double quotation plus, and then another one, and then another double quotation. All right, then I'll connect these two and then run. All right, let's see what's the problem here. Let me change the place of str and a here. So delete a from this part and then put it here, and then str goes there. Then run, and there we go. So here I'll just type in a plus and then get rid of these quotation marks. And then this is what it turns out like. All right. After this, I'll just right click here and look for set parameter. Let's see. And then I'll connect this to this one, and then this one to element right here. And then we'll just get rid of this one. Let's just save it up to this point. And then I'll connect this to this one. Then click on run and then yes here. And there it is. So just save from the Dynamo, and I will put this somewhere where you get to use it as well. Let's just go here in the structural model and then the files, and then in this folder let me type the file name as in rename level name, then save, and then I'll close it. So now let's go back to the notes view, and now as you can see the structural levels have been renamed. And then here you can see the elevation minus 2.5, and it has the same for the name as well. So now we can process the file and the modeling much easier. And so there's your tip.